How are you today? Are you okay? Are you fine? Are you great? My name is Teacher Michelle, and today we are going to learn about the five senses of our body. But first, I want you to know the different parts of our body. Can you see this picture? Can you tell me where are your eyes, ears, nose, arm, and legs? Okay, these are eyes, these are ears, this is mouth, these are arms, and these are legs. Now, can you tell me what are these? Eyes, ears, nose, mouth, hands, and legs. Okay. What do you have, class? I have 2 ears. What can you do with your ears? What's in the picture? Do you see the 3 birds and 1 boy? Okay. What can you hear? I hear the sounds of birds. What's this? Ear. Ear is for hearing. You can hear the sounds of the clock or the alarm clock. You can hear the sounds of the radio and the sounds from your surroundings. What do you have? Can you tell me what do you have? I have 2 eyes. What can you do with your eyes? You can see what? I can see my friends. What else? You can see microorganisms from this microscope. You can watch TV. And you can read your books. Okay, eyes is for sight. Next, what do you have? Can you tell me what is this? This is nose. Okay, I have 1 nose. What can you do with your nose? What are these? These are flowers. Okay, now what can you do with your nose? I can smell the flowers. Next, what can you see? This is your nose. Nose is for smell. Okay. You can smell what? You can smell socks, animals, or a flower. Okay. You can smell bad or you can smell good. Which one smells bad? Okay, we can say that it's this animals it smells bad or this socks it smells bad. Which smells is good? This rose smells good. Next, what do you have? You have your mouth. Okay. What can you do with your mouth? What's this? The boy is eating ice cream. Okay, the boy is eating ice cream. What is the taste of an ice cream? The taste of an ice cream is sweet. So I can taste the ice cream. What else? You can taste French fries. You can taste a hot dog or a pasta. Okay, ice cream, it tastes sweet. What else? You can taste sour, bitter, or spicy. Next, what can you see? 2 hands. In 2 hands, there are 10 fingers. Let's count the 10 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many fingers do you have? We have 10 fingers. Okay. What do you like to do with your hands? You can clap. Okay. Next. So, these are your fingers. Okay. These are your 10 fingers. What do you like to do with your fingers? Okay, look at this picture. You can touch your bear, you can touch your bed, or you can touch this table. What else? You can touch anything. Anything you want, you can touch it. Okay, that is touch. How about this? What do you have? You have 2 legs. What do you like to do with your legs? You can jump or run. Okay. How about this? What do you have? You have 10 toes. Let's count the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. What do you like to do with your toes? You can wiggle. Okay, now let us review. What are the 5 senses of our body? We have our eyes, nose, ears, mouth, and our hands or skin. Now, class, thank you so much for your listening, and I want you to answer your worksheets. Bye. See you next time.